Technique: the customer lies on his or her stomach. Rub oil with both hands and press the 风池 GB20 and 风府 DU16 acupoints. Operate for 3 times. Push through my and bladder channel straightly with both hands for 3 times. Push through my and bladder channel alternately with both hands for 3 times. Push through my and bladder channel with both palms from 大椎 DU14 and lift from the lumbar side to the armpit. Left first, then right. Operate for 3 times. Push back of neck with kneeling fists of both hands to 大半径. Operate for 5 to 8 times. Push back of neck with kneeling fists of both hands to the waist for 3 to 5 times. Pluck 大半径 with 虎口 of both hands at the same time for 5 to 8 times. Do the same to the 大半径 at the other side. On one side, open both hands, pluck the shoulder blade to the shoulder with nams. Operate for 5 to 8 times. Do the same to the shoulder blade at the other side. Push with huko of both hands alternately from shoulder to the shoulder blade for 3 to 5 times. Then push to the lumbar side with both hands. Lift past the armpit and slide to the upper arm. Do the same to the other side. Vacuum and RF soft massage operation. Through the combination of the vacuum suction and RF technologies, it can drench channels, remove moisture and detox, tighten skin and shape body, relieve fatigue. Push the probe from 大椎 DU14 to the caudal vertebra for 3 times. Push the probe from the blender channel to the caudal vertebra, left first, then right. Operate for 3 times. Put the probe on the Tianzhong SI11 that is in the middle of the shoulder blade. Increase the section accordingly. Stay for 3 seconds, then take it up. Repeat for 3 times. Put the probe at Jianjing GB21 that is in the middle of Dabanjing. Increase the section accordingly. Stay for 3 seconds, then take it up. Repeat for 3 times. Please note, when the release time is 0, it is the constant section mode. Push the probe from the shoulder blade to the armpit for 3 times. Push the probe from the neck to Dabanjing for 3 times. Push from Dazhui DU14 to Baliao area for 3 times. Push blade channel from the shoulder to the Baliao area. Left first, then right. Operate for 3 times. Lift from bottom to top at the lumbar side to the armpit. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Lift at the lumbar side of the other side of 3 to 5 times. Clean the back with hot towel. Use laser pads to double dissolve fat. Tie bandages on the fat of the back. Fixate laser pads on the fat of the back. Wait for 20 minutes.